Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. As we drive through Iberville, Louisiana, we're passing through one of the oldest settled areas in the state, shaped by the Mississippi River and centuries of change. Iberville is part of Iberville Parish, located along the west bank of the river, directly south of Baton Rouge. This region has long served as a gateway between Louisiana's interior waterways and the Mississippi. During the 18th and 19th centuries, Iberville Parish became heavily agricultural. Rich river soil supported sugarcane plantations, and the economy depended on enslaved labor prior to the Civil War. The Mississippi River was central to life here, serving as the main transportation route for crops, supplies, and people. Plantations, small settlements, and river landings developed along its banks. The Civil War brought disruption to the area. Union forces focused on controlling the Mississippi River, and nearby communities experienced occupation, property damage, and economic loss. After the war, Iberville slowly rebuilt, transitioning away from plantation dominance towards smaller farms, river commerce, and local trade. Flooding remained a constant challenge. The Great Mississippi Flood of 1927 had a major impact on Iberville Parish, as it did throughout southern Louisiana. In response, levee systems were expanded and strengthened, reshaping the landscape and altering how residents interacted with the river. Today, the levees stand as some of the most prominent features in the area, often blocking direct views of the Mississippi. In the 20th century, Iberville became part of Louisiana's growing industrial corridor. Chemical plants, manufacturing facilities, and river terminals were built to take advantage of deep water access and existing rail and highway routes. This industrial growth brought jobs and economic stability while also changing the visual character of the parish. As we drive through Iberville now, you'll notice a mix of rural neighborhoods, farmland, industrial facilities, and small communities. Life here remains closely tied to the river, even when it's hidden behind the levee.